Good morning. Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So I think sometimes it's good to let people know what variety of work we do in our shop. So I thought we'd do a quick walkthrough this morning. Welcome to the shop. Outside we have a car that's getting just cleaned up and QC'd. That's a 19 Acadia, and it had some coolant leaks. So we took care of those. Here we have a 2008 Savannah. It's got some brake issues. Basically, the brakes got wore out in the back. Back over here, we have a 2003 Honda Element. That one has an intermittent problem where it's stalling. Also, then it cranks but won't start. Don't have an answer on that one yet, so we're working on that one. This is a 2017 Hyundai Tucson, and it has a check engine light, which is some camshaft timing codes. It also has an oil light on, and it's because the oil is too low. This is a perfect example of why we recommend a little bit more frequent oil changes than perhaps what the manufacturer recommends, because we don't want to run the cars out of oil and cause problems. Here we have a 2008 F350 with the Power Stroke engine in it. This one had a problem with the high pressure oil pump. So we actually had to lift the cab off the vehicle, get to that high pressure oil pump, got it all back together. Now it's just getting quality control checked. Next on our list is a 2016 Expedition. And the vehicle was overheating due to some failed head gaskets. We have done a couple of basic oil change services and tire rotations this morning. That's why these bays are empty right now. Here we have a 2015 Kia Sorento, and it needs some brakes. And down here we have this was a 2015 Explorer, and on this particular one there was a clunking noise when driving, and it was due to the mounts for the subframe. We've got stuff out there like fuel leak on one, fuel smell. I've got a whole list of stuff that still has to be checked out today, but hopefully that helps you see a little bit of the variety we do here at Mercie J. Until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.